So what we have here, we have a Red Park surgery database where we have information on our clients, the type of pet that they have, date of last visit, and how much they have been charged so far. So what I want to see is if I can actually work out what the VAT element is within the cost field, okay? Rather than having this within the actual database itself, okay, we just create what we call as a calculated query. So I'm going to close the table down, and we're going to go to create, and we're going to query design. Pick up the clients table, add and close the dialog box. Okay, so it's a straightforward query that we're going to start off with. I just want title, forename, surname, address, town, postcode for instance, and cost. What we're going to do over here is we're going to create now a new field for the VAT element. So what I do is I type in VAT and I put in a colon. Okay, and then I just start putting in my calculation. So the calculation will be the cost field times 20%, which we have to turn into 0.2. Access doesn't actually understand the percentage. So the field name goes in square brackets, remember? So it's cost in square brackets, and it's just simply times 0.2. When we run the query, okay, we can see there that we've worked out the VAT element and we have a new column called VAT. We need to go back into design view, okay, and select the column and right click on it, go into properties, and you can see there that we can change the format into currency, and you can have decimal places or not. Okay, we can see there we have now formatted it for currency. Okay, let's go back into the design view. Okay, if we wanted to know what the new cost was going to be, then simply again we just type in new cost, colon. Okay, and the new cost is going to be our new field, VAT, in square brackets, plus the cost field, again in square brackets. Oops, square brackets. Okay, so when we run that query, again you can see there the £50 plus the £10 gives us a new cost of 60. Back into design view, just out of curiosity, and remember, if we forget to type in the field name and just start typing the calculation, so this time I'm going to put in something which would have been the VAT inclusive, okay, I would have just said that it was cost in square brackets times 1.2. Okay, when I run that, okay, you can see there that it just calls the new column expression 1. Okay, so all we would have to do is go back into design view, just change the text and call it VAT inclusive. Okay, again, just make sure that we are selecting the column and changing the format into currency, and there we go. And we can just run that again, close it down, and that is how we create a simple calculated query. And we will call it VAT calculation.